Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, an attorney here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, and today we're going to delve into a topic that holds significant importance for many families: grandparents' rights in child custody cases. To help us understand the complexities of this issue, let's look into a real-life scenario. Meet Sarah and John, a couple in the midst of a difficult divorce. They have two young children, Emily and Michael. Sarah's parents, Ann and Richard, have always been actively involved in their grandchildren's lives, attending school events, celebrating birthdays, and taking them on memorable vacations. However, since the divorce proceedings began, Sarah has drastically limited Ann and Richard's access to Emily and Michael, leaving them heartbroken and concerned for their grandchildren's well-being. In situations like this, grandparents often find themselves wondering if they have any legal rights when it comes to spending time with their beloved grandchildren. The answer is yes. But it's essential to understand that the specifics of grandparents' rights can vary from state to state. These rights typically depend on several crucial factors, including the best interests of the child, the existing relationship between the grandparent and the child, and whether there are any extenuating circumstances such as the parent's unfitness or history of abuse. Here are some key points to consider when it comes to grandparents' rights in child custody cases. The paramount importance of maintaining a loving and supporting relationship between the grandparent and the grandchild. Understanding the legal process involved in seeking the grandparent's rights, which often require the assistance of a skilled family law attorney. Factors that can significantly influence your case, such as the wishes of the parent and the preference of the child. Recognizing the crucial role that grandparents play in providing stability, emotional support, and the continuity in their grandchildren's lives. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Brian Fagan is dedicated to supporting you through the intricate web of family law. If you have any questions or require any legal assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Our experienced attorneys have successfully helped countless grandparents protect their rights and ensure their grandchildren continue to benefit from loving relationships with them. While we've covered the basics today, it is essential to note that grandparents' rights cases can be highly nuanced and challenging. Each situation is unique, and it's vital to have a knowledgeable legal advocate by your side to navigate the legal landscape effectively. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Your support helps us to continue to provide crucial information to those who need it, and we genuinely appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this video has provided valuable insights into the topic of grandparents' rights in child custody cases. If you have any questions, or if there are any specific aspects of this subject you would like us to explore in more depth in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you throughout the complexities of family law. If you have any legal questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.